Did you know you can install and use Rufus even without an internet connection? If you've ever struggled with slow Wi-Fi or needed to create a bootable USB in a place with no internet, the Rufus offline installer can save you. Today, we're breaking down exactly how it works and why it's useful, especially in 2025. Rufus is already lightweight and easy to use, but one of its biggest advantages is that the installer doesn't rely on constant internet access. When you download the executable file, you're getting the full program in one small package. This means you can store Rufus on a USB drive, move it between computers, and run it instantly without installing anything. It's truly a portable, offline-ready tool, perfect for troubleshooting. The offline installer also makes Rufus reliable in emergencies. If your PC crashes, won't boot, or needs a fresh Windows installation, you don't need to connect to the internet just to get your tools ready. As long as you've saved Rufus beforehand, you can launch it directly and start creating your bootable USB. This is extremely helpful for IT technicians, students, or anyone working in areas with limited connectivity. What makes it even better is that Rufus works smoothly with ISO files stored on your device. As long as the ISO is available, you can create Windows, Linux, or recovery bootable USB drives entirely offline. The speed, portability, and simplicity make Rufus one of the most dependable tools for system setup and repair. If this breakdown of the Rufus offline installer helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.